In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and filter categories in Outlook. Categories are color-coded labels that make it easy to group, spot, and retrieve related emails at a glance. I'll walk you through Classic Outlook first, then show the steps for the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. Let's start in Classic Outlook. On the Home tab, look for the Tags section and click Categorize. From that menu, choose All Categories. In the window that opens, click New. Give your category a clear name, like Work, pick a color that stands out for you, and then click OK or Save. That creates the category so you can use it right away. To apply the category to an email, first select the message you want to label. You have two quick options. You can right-click the email, point to Categorize, and pick the color or category name you just created. Or, if you prefer the toolbar, click the Categories tag icon on the Home tab and choose the same category there. The color bar will appear on the message, confirming that it's been labeled. When you're ready to filter, stay on the Home tab. In the same general area, click Filter Email. From the drop-down, select Categorized, and then choose the specific category you want to see. Your inbox will immediately narrow to show only the messages with that category, which is perfect for focusing on a project or priority. Now, for the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, open Settings. Under Accounts, select Categories. Click Create New, give the category a name, choose a color, and save it. Once that's set, head back to your mail. Find the message you want to label, right-click it, select Categorize, and choose the category you created. You'll see the color applied so you can recognize it quickly in the list. To filter in the new Outlook or on the web, go to the search bar at the top of your mailbox. Type the name of the category, and Outlook will filter your emails to show the ones tagged with that label. It's a fast way to zero in on exactly what you need without scrolling. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and in control of your inbox.